In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your emo background. If you want to personalize your chats and make the app feel a little more like your own, changing the background is a quick and easy way to do it. This can help make conversations look cleaner, more colorful, or simply more comfortable for you to read. I'll walk you through the process slowly, so it's easy to follow along. First, open the Emo app on your device. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can access your conversations without any delay. Once you're on the main screen, look through your chats and open the conversation where you want to change the background. This is important because the setting is usually adjusted from inside a specific chat. After the chat is open, look for the three dots in the top corner of the screen. This is the menu icon, and it gives you access to more options related to that conversation. Tap the three dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Wallpaper or Chat Color. The exact wording may vary a little depending on your device or app version, but it should be something close to that. Tap on it to continue. This is the section where Emo lets you customize the visual style of the chat. Next, choose the background or color you want to use. Depending on the version of the app, you may see a selection of wallpapers, solid colors, or a few preset styles. Take a moment to preview the options and pick one that looks good and still keeps your messages easy to read. If a background is too bright or too busy, it can make the text harder to see, so it's a good idea to choose something clear and comfortable. Once you've made your selection, tap Apply or Set. This confirms your choice and updates the background for that chat. After that, you should immediately see the new wallpaper or chat color appear on the screen. And that's it. Your Emo chat background has now been changed. If you ever want to switch it again, you can follow the same steps and choose a different style whenever you like. It's a simple customization, but it can make your chatting experience feel much more personal and enjoyable.